Yo, yo, yo. What's going on, guys? It's Jacob from MarineMax in Panama City Beach, here again showing you our brand new 2023 Harris 230 Solstice. This is a beautiful layout. The way that the color contrasts on the outside and the inside just really pops when you're out on the water. As you can see, this one is powered by a 250 Mercury 4-stroke. Has the extended back platform, so you can see just sitting here next to me on the in the water that the back section is actually a little bit farther out than normal and traditional. Offers excellent walk around room, and it just kind of adds a little bit more space to the boat as well. This one is covered by a double bimini fold down option as well, so if you don't want to have shade, which I don't know why you wouldn't, you can lay those down and you have a full exposure from above. Now that we've seen the outside, let's hop inside. And now that we're actually on the boat, like I mentioned earlier, this has the extended back platform. And if you can just see, now, again, I'm not the biggest of guy, but I do cover up a little bit of space. I have plenty of room to have a couple other bodies back here with me as well. This has the ski tow activity bar on it. This is great for tubing, wakeboarding, water skiing, anything of that nature. Has two fender holders on each side, so there's always a designated spot for those, so they're quick, easy to find and stow away. All right, and then this back section floor plan has the single lounger addition to it. This is very popular by choice from a lot of consumers in the past because it is an excellent sun lounger pad as it sits. But if you wanted to, you can fold it back and even make a larger sun pad lounge. If you have it stowed in the normal position here, it's good for forward seating, but if you wanted to have the option of laying out and enjoying the water activities or wherever you're at on the island or the sandbar and you want to lay out, you can do that as well. This also acts as one giant storage bin, has two access points, one right here in the front, and this whole back section will lift up, and this is one giant storage compartment as well. It's very excellent for keeping all of your extra necessities all contained into one area. As we move forward into the midship of the boat, this one comes with an entertainment bar. This is not a full entertainment bar. It's just a nice countertop that has two LED lit cup holders on it. Nice top to have a display of your fruit, foods, snacks. But if you lift it up, it does have a little tray that you can remove. And if you need to keep any, walleye with 8-pound lead weights in there, you can hide them in there. Put that back on there, another storage. Also, the second section has a drain hole out of it, so it'd be excellent for keeping drinks, fruit, smaller foods nice and cold. And then when you're done with it, just unplug it, let it all drain out. Now that you've made your food, you need somewhere to eat it. They've implemented in this pop-up countertop, so you have even more space to put your food on, or if you need to sit down, have a little chair, you can sit here and eat your food. Now to the captain's seat, sorry. As you can see, this is elevated. This is a higher risen Helm seat. This offers much more visibility when you're in travel. This is paired with a 9-inch Simrad, has JL audio speakers, the digital throttle Gen 2 offered by Mercury. And if you don't know about the digital throttle system, then you really have got to experience it for yourself. The transition between forward, neutral, reverse is so smooth, so effortlessly. On the Gen 2, they actually added in the stop lever. So once you're in neutral, you actually have to pop the lever to put it in and out of gear. Nice feature, so you don't whiskey throttle it, or if you're in neutral and you accidentally bump it, it's not going to take off, so you're safe. And finally, in the front section of the boat, very traditional forward wraparound seating in the Harris boats. Flip down armrest provides ultimate comfortability and just true relaxation when you're out on the water. This boat opted to have the in-floor storage, which is very helpful because you can never have too much storage on a boat, in my opinion. And I feel like a lot of people will advocate for that as well. Again, this is the Harris 230 Solstice, brand new 2023 model, available, ready to go. If you have any questions about this, please give me a call. My name is Jacob. Contact number is 850-819-9106. Thank you, guys.